Hey everyone, welcome back to Designer Mastery Hub, where we dive into tech, design, and the creative careers of tomorrow. Today we're talking about how to become a UI/UX designer in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, I've got you covered with actionable steps and insider tips. So grab your notebook and let's get started.
And here's some exciting news. My free UI/UX design course will be available before the end of this month. If you're serious about starting your design journey, this course is for you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it.
Number 1, what is UI/UX design? First, let's clear up what UI/UX design actually is.
UI, or user interface, focuses on the visual aspects, think buttons, colors, typography, and layouts. UX, user experience, is all about how users interact with a product. Does it feel intuitive, enjoyable, and functional? Together, UI/UX designers create products that look amazing and work seamlessly.
Number 2, the skills you need in 2025. 1. Design fundamentals, master typography, color theory, and layout principles. These never go out of style. 2. Prototyping tools. Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch are the big ones. Figma especially is dominating the industry. 3. User research. Learn how to conduct interviews, usability testing, and analyze user behavior. 4. Basic coding. Knowing some HTML, CSS, or even React can make you stand out. 5. AI-driven tools. AI-assisted design tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT are trending. Learn how to integrate them into your workflow. Number 3, learning UI/UX design. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube are amazing for self-paced learning. Boot camps. Programs like Design Lab, Career Foundry, and Springboard offer intensive job-focused training. University degrees, if you prefer a structured approach. Degrees in graphic design, HCI, human-computer interaction, or digital media can be valuable. Personal projects. Don't forget to practice, create mock designs, redesign existing apps, or build a portfolio. And don't forget, my free UI/UX design course is launching this month. It's packed with actionable tips, tools, and projects to help you get started. Subscribe now so you don't miss the release. Number 4, building your portfolio. Your portfolio is everything as a UI/UX designer. Here's how to make yours shine. First, showcase 3 to 5 solid projects, quality over quantity, and explain your process. Like highlight research, wireframes, iterations, and final designs. Use platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or even a custom website to display your work. And here's pro tip for you. Redesign a well-known app and explain why you made specific design choices. And the course I'm launching will also guide you on creating your first portfolio projects. So keep an eye out. Now let's keep going. Number 5, landing your first job. Once your portfolio is ready, it's time to find your first job. Number 1, network. Attend design meetups, LinkedIn events, or join communities like Designer Hangout. Number 2, freelance. Start small by offering your services on Upwork or Fiverr. Number 3, apply strategically. Tailor your application for each company. Show how your design style aligns with their brand. Number 4, prepare for interviews. Be prepared to walk through your portfolio, explain your design decisions, and even tackle a design challenge. Number 6, staying relevant in 2025. In the fast-moving world of design, staying relevant is crucial. Follow industry blogs, join forums, and keep experimenting with tools. And don't forget to learn about emerging technologies like AR/VR design and AI-driven user experiences. And all right, that's your roadmap to becoming a UI/UX designer in 2025. If you're ready to take the first step, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. My free UI/UX design course will be dropping before the end of this month, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.